Dough on a well-floured surface and flour the rolling pin. Using the rolling pin to press out the dough a bit going north, south, east, west. Then roll out the dough, starting from the center and rolling out to the edge. After a few rounds, I like to flip the dough over, but make sure there is flour underneath before you keep rolling. Keep changing the direction you're rolling to help maintain a circular shape until you have a circle about 12 inches in diameter. After you're done rolling, grab your pie plate. You want to carefully lift the pastry off the counter, and I actually like to fold it over the rolling pin to help keep it from sticking to itself. Then you lift the rolling pin and place the pastry into the pie plate. Gently press down around the edges to make sure it's in contact with the dish, but try not to stretch the dough as you do this. Now trim the edge of the dough so that you have about a ½ inch extra or a finger's width. It doesn't need to be exact, but trim it the same all the way around the pie dish. And here you can see that I'm actually using an extra piece of dough to patch a spot that didn't quite roll out as evenly as I wanted it to. You just add a little water and the pastry will stick right to itself. After you finish trimming, then you want to fold under the edge that you have all the way around the dish, and it'll create a nice, neat edge. Now using the index finger and middle finger of one hand and the thumb of your other hand, push the dough together between them to create a crimped edge. You want to follow all the way around your crust doing it exactly the same way until you've completed the full circle. Often it works out just perfectly, and I don't know how, it's just pie making magic. And now you have a beautiful pie crust to show off to your family.